I'm close to 1 year long in me finishing election last year. Now plenty all Nubla, all member ICAM, all well-educated members of parliament now come inside the parliament. And I'm giving good hope long future long this country. I think I'm a good plan on this time. Long as some blow me or some me stop long time lo parliament. Long talk long time was steer him all young leader. This country blow me. This is the only country where you mean by stop or beginning blame me by stop. So I mean duty, you mean got responsibility. Well, make sure also in this country, I mean stop good. Okay, at the time you mean total problems here. And what blow you mean? This parliament. Not taking responsibility. You know, in Aplo, you mean talk. Long all public servants. Who's that honorable man? We are the leaders responsible for making this country great. Time you come to this parliament and want a privilege. Long come representing more people on this floor. The first thing you mean all members of parliament, you mean Masikat, and honesty. You want to do your part to make this country great in whatever capacity you hold in. Country you may come this far. You know good plan. No can talk about something, all right. This country could be better. We have to think beyond our self-interest. Look, Constitution. Behind him good. Behind him more law. This place thinking a vision belong all founding fathers. Me look at me come on the crossroad where we can lose this country. Don't just pretend in this parliament that everything is okay. There's some fundamental things that need to be fixed. And one of them is law and order. I am tired of repeating this on this floor. Police are ineffective. You miss Salim defense go. Defense now come up ineffective. We are losing a very good defense force that was created and established. Long narrow function, long defending this country, long all external forces. Let's wake up. Me give one a proposition for 8 years. Where is the other proposition? Long time no managing loan oral on this country. Suppose you talk no got proposition blow me. Where is the other one? No can talk me blow some you by internally. Try no fixing problem. This problem is escalating. Now you may read him the paper. How much all innocent girls were kidnapped? Stop talking about projects. People's lives need to be protected. Properties need to be protected. Fix him law and order. Proposition belum stop yet di sini lo di sila government. Kan somebody me sana sim as a proposition belum or someone. Are we going to just pretend that everything is okay? No, God. You blood young blood. You have a duty. Now you clean, you come here. You focus, Lord, people believe. Address them all issues straight. Get the small things right. And all the big things will fall in place. Yes. No can think, yes, we've got tribal fight. But I can guarantee you that you people in other provinces have more problems than I have. That's right. Country bar. So I'm by me losing this law. I hope you mean as a government, please try my agenda. See now what I mean. How do you want this done? I will make it happen.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can be done. Just imagine if we control law and order. I'll talk about economic growth. Where would we be? And by me go here. You mean I'm carrying money long SME and I go and I give him all people and I will be walk. They know how to do it. We have to give them security. All must move freely. No country block. This country doesn't belong to criminals. I mean, not belong on Marona line. This country belongs to the good citizens of this country. So number one, mila Dr. Lolo and Orana mitokosema. Now, young blood, please, all young leaders take ownership of issues on the ground.